Different phases of SOA testing are service testing, integration testing, orchestration testing, end-to-end testing, and regression testing. In the service level testing phase, all the services are tested individually for functional, security, and performance aspects. Functional testing for business aspects, security testing for finding vulnerabilities like unauthorized access to services, performance testing for finding the bottlenecks at peak load that causes the degrading performance. Integration testing is carried out simultaneously with the development phase. It tests for communication between the services, components of the data and application layer, and the components of enterprise component layer as a part of functional testing. As a part of security testing, the communication between all the services is validated for the authorization. The overall system level performance after each component integration should still stay within the acceptable limits to the end user as a part of performance testing. During integration testing phase, if any of the services is still in their development phase, the service is replaced by a virtual service that acts like a stub and driver in manual testing. In the orchestration testing phase, all the business flows configured by BPEL, Business Process Expression Language, are validated as a part of functional testing. Load and endurance testing are conducted to measure business throughput as a part of performance testing. In the end-to-end testing phase, the presentation layer is tested for critical transactions for validating data flow throughout the cycle and handshakes between the dependent services as a part of functional testing. The security vulnerability of all the modules in the presentation layer is assessed as a part of security testing. Load and stress testing are performed to benchmark the performance and failing point of the application. Regression testing is a re-execution of already passed test cases to ensure that the changes to any services will not affect the functionality of other dependent services. In case of the following scenarios, like changes made to the database schema, installation of a new router, or upgrading the ESB version, etc., the performance test is also included in the regression testing.